about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hello, what's up, my friends? Daisy here, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm with my boyfriend. We're here at Durhan's White Beach
Resort. Durhan White Beach Resort. Here in Tabuelan.
Yep, guys, because I'm together with my proud Bisaya Bai team. So mag-guan mi diri guys, mag-enjoy, mag-get together kay kanang 1 year na ang
Anniversary.
proud Bisaya Bai. So yeah, mga unsan mi guys. So na sila yung lunch buffet diri sa Durhan White Beach Resort. Sa tanaw na to guys. So ready na mong food. Tara guys, by the way guys, ang rate na din nila sa ilahang lunch buffet is 440 pesos per person. So
they wanna shake the hands of the queen. How come you don't see me as they do? You're a mystery and I don't.
hey guys, so just done having lunch.
Nabusog ka, babe?
Super.
Lami kailang foods, guys.
Thank you so much.
Kapila kita nagbalik ka to, babe?
Tulo ko. Ikaw.
Kalima ra ba siya nagbalik-balik?
So guys, mag-start na may sa mong program. Amot mag-start pa ba or mag-prepare pa niya, mag-check-in mi. Patanaw lang ng po niya.
Yes, you taste you, all of you. I'd be a lover like no other, won't regret a thing. I'm the one that hits you with a full swing. I'd be a home run, I'd make you win.
Hey guys friends, so mag-check-in na mi guys. So roommate mi ni Sher na og ni Twino, mga gwapa, giusap. Wow! Di malalis.
So, hindi dapat mulalim. We're gonna open our room na.
Oh?
Open it! Open it!
Open sesame!
Wow! What? 2 beds, yeah.
Oh, nice kayo. Aircon na siya.
And it
Under na
smells so
daan.
good.
Yay! So there's one, I know, 2 queen size bed.
They also provided mask and alcohol with soaps
I'm
and shampoo and tissue.
You're vlogging my vlogging!
Yeah.
Hey guys, so maghuman pa sa among program. And then nakailis na sad ko guys. Grabe alimot kay dito. Kay kon, grabe kay mong mga activity na pag-games si Mayora. So karon guys, kay nami diri sa my beach kay mag-tutorial me. And then na sila dito, nag-tutorial na sila. Oh. Nice kayo diri maglakaw-lakaw together with your loved one.
Across the border, I'm bitten hard by Cupid, babe. Hurry, I need to be safe. Hurry with all the cliches. Sunny days, you and me. We'll keep out of the rain.
Hello days friends! So, nag-on me guys, nag-watch me sa sunset. It's so nice to watch the sunset.
Ano guys, nasa Lipton.
Miss out on your sweet selection. Tell Cupid stay. Ask him to stay. Now we'll clear the way.
Oh, madali-dali guys.
Uy! Wala! Sinilas mo!
Last night was magical. What a rush, get casual. From the first look I knew we could be one love-based symphony.
Lord, oh, thank you Lord. Ikaw man rin ako. Thank you Lord.
So
The best view.
Kaya nagkuyot pa
Sunset
dyan na.
by the beach.
And later, we're gonna have dinner by the beach.
Sunny days, you and me. We'll keep out of the rain. Try me on any direction, I'll follow you. Don't wanna wait another day. tell Cupid stay.
Nag-dinner na bidiri guys, so we're here na sila buffet by the beach. Diba guys, nice kayo guys with the music sa background, nice kayo siya na experience, and with the cool breeze na inanay mong view, nagkaon, diba, mabusog jud ka. Nice kayo no, kayo na yung background music na live.
Makauyab ka din.
Nagahay kayo.
Makauyab ka din.
Ha?
Makauyab ka din, promise.
Bantay ha, ugma, dapat ugma.
Nanakuyab.
Kami kay mong kaon, mabusugod ka. Labi na imong kaatbang kay imong hinigma. Oh!
Dami man tang kuan yung nawawa mong lasa, no? Nawawa ang lasa pag dungog na kwato.
Proud, Bisaya Bai!
Hey, congrats, happy anniv.
Hello days friends! So manami og kaon guys, and karon kay mag-chill-chill lang mi sa beach, magtanaw sa stars, and maminaw og music na live band diri guys.
Kuan migdan. Ingita mig kabutangan sa tent.
tent.
You're like a fine bottle of wine. The next morning.
Hello, good morning days friends!
Baguhay lang mi nahuman og TikTok guys. Kay si Twin.
Pag mata, TikTok na yun, twin. Twin, so we're gonna have our breakfast guys.
Yeah.
So, buffet hapon. So, consecutive buffet. Sige, tag-buffet
Buffet.
ani. Yung saan na lang itong mga diet ani.
Goodbye Diane.
Keep turning me on. You keep making me feel so good. So good.
Panindot, hayahay kayo.
Mga guys, nag-TikTok talaga guys. Ja. Ja. Kadungan oy.
There's a spark in your eyes, shining bright as the sky. You got that very special thing. You're like a queen, I wanna be your king.
Grabe kayo ang Durhan White Beach Resort. Thank you so much, Durhan. Cheers, guys. Nani kayo kay init kayo ba? Tapos hindi kami nag-photoshoot. So refreshing and super lamig kayo lang.
I know where I belong.
Ka-cute, ani, uy.
Footwash.
Wash before you go inside your room.
Para di mo hugaw ang room guys. So yeah.
Nay nakik-TikTok dere guys, o tanaw natin ni hang kuan bi ang ipanghambog na TikTok biyan sa mga along i-TikTok.
What is love guys?
What is love? You.
Yeah. Padiha.
Sige na, let's TikTok, let's do it. Hello days friends! So, manaming check out guys. And muli na mi. Thank you so much Durhan White Beach Resort for the nice accommodation. Very accommodating kayo ilang mga staff. And ilang mga lami kayo pagkaon. Ilang pagkaon lami sa jud kayo. So thank you so much. I will end this vlog here guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. And also subscribe to Jude Rico.
Yeah, yes guys. I also have a YouTube channel. It's Jude Rico guys. Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations, and always
Seize the
seize
day.
the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Sige, ani, o ikmukatawa ka.
Guys, overon.
Polvoron ay, polvoron.
Overon from Magay
That was nutritious.
Nutrition.
Wala si Arlen, wala nakakuha.
Thank
you, Mandawi. Wish siya.
Okay ra tulo. Ay, okay ra tulo di ay.
Nature spring na po.
Yay. May pag-iinsa.
Thank you. Na may papulboron oy. Ikaw daw organic ka daw. Miss Mimi, pagawa sa team yan.
Pang pantawid gutom.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Polboron. Sige na, okay na? Thank you.
Mandawis nutrition eh. Malnutrition ba na yun?
Malnutrition.
Ay, pag-ana.
Thank you guys sa sponsor ba niya. Huwag na kayong ba. Kinahanglan po may nature spray.
Huwag
Para electrolyte sa